Hi dear Cancerians, a very good afternoon to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Cancerian Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from today till the 21st of December. So let's start, honey. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are, I'm having bad cold, please bear with me. Your partner's feelings for you right now are Cancer. Your partner's feelings for you right now are, let's see. Seven of Cups. It's like your partner right now is confused, or they have other options too, or they're trying to explore other options too, or they feel like you are one of those options for whom they have lots of feelings. Okay, it is like this person is literally confused right now. They don't know what they are feeling. This is exactly what they are feeling, right? Let me clarify. I have to clarify the Seven of Cups. Let me clarify the Seven of Cups as the feelings for you. See, the Five of Wands and the Eight of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so you guys had a fight, you guys had a conflict. So I can say this person is conflicted. You guys had severe conflict issues or severe fight issues or battles. You guys are constantly fighting with each other. There's lack of communication. There's if there's communication, that is always fighting, or it's like definitely a lack of communication, and this person is trying to heal from the situation, trying to be mature and practical. Okay, so that's why, because of the conflicts, they feel very confused. They're literally confused what is happening, what they are doing, what they are feeling about this connection. So right now they are confused about this connection, about their feelings. Okay, let's see what you feel for this person, Cancerians. Your feelings for this person. Let's see your feelings for them. Ten of Cups. You love this person, Cancer. For them, for you, this person is your family. This person is your love. This person is the one with whom you want to spend your rest of life, and you want to become a family. This is the Ten of Cups. This person really make you happy. You're not confused. You need this person, and you feel like this person is the love of your life. This is what you feel for them. Wow, you are very clear, crystal clear. Let me clarify. And this person, because of the constant fights and because of the constant conflicts, this person is literally confused. And you know that, yeah, you are stable minded, and you know that you love this person. Let me clarify the Ten of Cups. Eight of Cups and the Sun and the Seven of Swords. Either you walked away or they walked away, and there was some kind of illumination of truth. Okay, some truth came out. There was some kind of hidden truth that came out to light. Okay, so you walked away or they walked away. I don't know who walked away from whom, but there was some light shown on the truth. There was some light. There was some sun on the swords. Okay, so there was some kind of truth. There was some kind of secret that came out. Okay, still you love this person. I don't know if this secret was good or bad, but there was something that came out in light, and that literally made you feel like you were shocked. You were shocked, or they were shocked, and it was like, I think it was a happy kind of truth. It was not a bad kind of truth. It was kind of happy kind of truth. Okay, happy kind of secret, you can say, that came out, and it made you feel like, yeah, this is the person for you. This is the love of your life. Or it could also be possible that you told them something about you, and after telling them this something, you are relieved now. Now you're feeling happy. Okay, this could be this way. Yeah, because someone is walking away. It could be you who is walking away from conflict, or somebody else and going straight towards this person, or it could be them walking away from somebody and coming towards you. So it's like somebody is walking away, but it is giving happiness to the other person, and some kind of truth is revealed, some kind of hidden truth is coming out, or might be you were self-sabotaging yourself from a very long time. Now you're openly telling them that you love them. So it's kind of complicated feeling that I'm getting here for this particular person that you carry. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Cancer. Nine of Wands. Okay, they don't want you to, they don't want you to give up on the situation. I can clearly see that this person is hurt. They're deeply hurt, and what they want from you is they want you to hold on and don't give up on the situation, because they are confused right now, because they are not able to make any kind of decision right now. They want you to stick to them. Okay, this is what they want from you, because right now they are confused, so they are expecting maturity from you. So the signs that I'm getting here is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, because lots of cups is here, and the wands is here also, so it could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. See, in these general reading, signs doesn't matter a lot, but I tell you the signs because few people are very sign specific that they need their signs. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. See, this person wants to have a brand new start with you and a family with you. They want to, grow old with you. This is the situation here. This is what they want from you. They want you to hold on. They want you to don't give up on the situation, because they understand that you are the queen and they are the king here, or vice versa, and they want to have a beautiful family life with you, brand new life, start brand new life with you and grow old with you kind of situation. So that's why this person doesn't want to leave you, doesn't want you to give up on the situation, because they know right now the situation is not that much good, but in the future it could be. That's why they want you to hold on. Don't give up on the situation. Although you are hurt, although they are hurt, I don't know what kind of battle they are, fighting right now. This person is right now fighting a mental battle, emotional battle, some kind of battle in their life. And they want you to be with them. Okay. Let's see what you want from this person, Cancer. What do you want from this person? King of Cups, you want love. All of your love from this person. The roles can be reversed anytime. I think I told you. So you want this person to be madly in love with you, to be completely in love with you, to forgive and forget everything, and to be with you permanently. This is what you want from this person. King of Cups, highest level of love. It's kind of love where there's commitment, there's care, there's lots of lovey-dovey kind of things. Okay, it's mature kind of love. It's not that, one night stand kind of love. It's mature. You want to grow old with this person. They want to grow old with you. But the circumstances right now are not allowing this thing to happen. Let me clarify the King of Cups. There is something that is missing in this chain. Although it is a beautiful love story that I'm getting here, but there's something missing. There's some kind of issues that you guys are facing. I don't know what kind of issues. You better know it, right? You know it better, right? Because this is your story. If you are here till now, so this is your story for sure. Let me clarify the King of Cups, the Ace of Cups, the Justice, and the Hangman. Could be dealing with the Libra here. So what you want from this person? You want justice from this person. You want this person to drop this situation of stuck energy. You want lots of love. You want to begin this connection with love. You want balance in this situation. You want justice from the universe, from this particular person. You are holding with this person. You are trying to be with this person from a very long time. Now you want justice. All you want is justice from them, and you want this person to see your perspective as well, your point of view as well in this connection. And drop their ego, drop their fights, and drop the energy of having lots of options around them. Yeah, this is what you want from this person. Nice. Let's see what action they are going to take till 21st of December. What to expect from this person till 21st of December. Let's see. There's construction going on. I'm having lots of bloody cold, uh, cold and cough situation. Yay, my life is good. I love my life. Thank you, universe. Yeah. I'm looking like, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section how I'm looking. Don't say beautiful. I'm sick. Ooh, Empress. So this person is coming to you. There is a conversation happening. There is communication happening. I can see that. For some of you, if you guys are married or if you guys were in a live-in relationship, this person is, pregnant with your child. Because Ten of Cups is also there, so there's high chances of that this person might be pregnant, or they could be pregnant very soon if you guys are going to meet in that scenario. Let me clarify the outcome for you, the Empress. So what to expect from this person? They are going to level up the situation of this connection. Whatever the situation is in this connection right now, it is going to improve and it is going to level up from this level to another level. Let me clarify the Empress. The Page of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. Lots of pregnancy news. Congratulations, Cancerians, you are going to be a father or a mother soon. So I feel for some of you, I feel like this person is going to tell you that they are pregnant, and this will be a sudden shocking surprise for you, and that is going to make you fucking happy. For most of you, you guys are going to be happy with this news. And for another people who are not ready to for a kid, you better understand what to do about this, right? But this is pregnancy for sure, fertility for sure. Good news. This is good news coming for you guys. So anyway, if they can't be pregnant or if they are not pregnant, what to expect from this person? Like they are coming towards you, but they are really very slow. It doesn't seem like they're coming towards you. You will feel like they're ignoring you. They are not at all interested in you. But trust me, they are coming towards you. They are really slow, but they are coming to level up the relationship to another level. It's like this. Yes, this is another cycle that is starting. This is a very specific reading for today. I got a very, very specific message for a person who are going to be pregnant soon, or who are already pregnant and they are going to announce their pregnancy with another person, and they are going to be fucking happy. Okay. And for others of you, I feel like this person is coming, but they're really, really very slow towards you. So they might not approach you till 21st, but they will definitely come towards you by the end of December. This is what I'm getting here, because this person is spying on you. They are watching your Facebook pics and Insta pics and Insta ID and all that. They are trying to reach towards you, but they are very slow. They want to message you. They want to seek an apology or something. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye bye.